He lit the dark so we could see. Louis Latimer electricity. Measured stars, they said he couldn't read. Banneker proved black minds free.
Red light, green light saved our lives.
Garrett Morgan designed the science. Locked the doors, kept danger out. Murray Brown knew what safety's bout. Rillieux made it safe for us. Heartbeat steady, circuits true. Otis Morgan powered you. Press the wrinkles, change the game. Sarah Boo won't fade away. From NASA dreams to backyard fun, Lonnie Johnson built it, son.
Kept it cold so life could move. Jones preserved the future too.